It's me, Jimmy again. AI will not make you money. Majority of people say, oh, hey, Jimmy again, AI is making money. I wanna be rich. I wanna be rich. Screw you. Number one is that to use AI, you need some brain. Idiots, stupid people are trying to use AI to make money. You need strategy. If you are not smart enough, how you can use AI? Oh, ChatGPT, tell me 10 ways to make money. You need the foundation of AI basis on prompt engineering. If you are not a rational thinker, if you are not good at mathematics, I mean, how you can be a good prompt engineer? So AI will not make you money. Number one reason is that you need to be smart enough. If you are dumb enough, majority of people are dumb. They are wasting their time while using TikTok, Facebook. How many people are listening audiobooks? I finish around 50 audiobooks per year. So my brain is always like thinking new ideas. So I know how to use AI. And number two, the market is saturated. I started an AI channel, a scary story AI channel, but it's not getting any traffic. I did everything, but it still failed because the market is saturated. What I'm doing, anyone can copy and paste. And number three is AI basically means quantity over quality. The quality sucks. I try to write an article for my travel blog with AI. It's very bad. It's very bad. I use AI sometimes for description, sometimes here there, but for writing an article, never. I value my outing journal website travel, which is basically an online travel magazine by me. Now, remember few years ago, Google will penalize the blogger with a broken English, with bad grammar. Now, Google looking for broken English. They're looking for bad grammar because a human factor. They want article written by human, so they're looking for some. I know some people deliberately try to do some grammatical mistake in their blogging. So the Google will pick it up. Yeah, this is written by a human. I'm not saying you have to do, but if you have some minor one or two mistake in the article, is fine. Because Google can say, oh yeah, this is written by a human, not by AI. So they will rank your article higher. And what kind of age you are living where you remember when you're going to be penalized with poor grammar? Now they will reward you if you have a poor grammar. So yeah, majority of the people will not make money of AI. Do not waste your time with AI. And yeah, AI also costs money. To use ChatGPT cost money. To use Copilot cost money. To use tools they cost money. It's not free. It's not free. You really know what to do with AI? Think why you need to use AI. Making money, AI knows easy. You want to make an affiliate website? Then learn article, do your research. Not just, AI tell me this, AI tell me this. AI will tell you nothing. Just waste your time and money. Bye.